Hello and welcome to the channel. This is where I'll be building vintage classics, vintage classics, a bit of new tool stuff as well. Kit was only out last year in various scales. Yeah, there's no way the boxes to these kits are going to be on this table. I can only fit one of them at a time. Going from 124 to 1350. Not just aeroplanes. Keeping with the bigger scales. Some armour kits in a range of scales again. Ignore that price, I got this for half price. And sometimes something a little bit different. Vehicles, figures, and to cap it off, a little bit of sci-fi. Dum dum dum, Darth Vader, Darth Vader. Darth Vader, Darth Vader, Darth Vader. So if you like what you see, you like to have a bit of a laugh while you're building models and watching me make a bit of a burk of myself, to be fair, then why not give me a like and a subscribe and come and see what's happening at Phil's Model Making.